Oh, hello. Am I filming? This app actually works. You all know. I'm here. I don't have to stay on my camera now. It's my fysc. It's gonna glitch a bit because it's gonna go black for a bit, and I'm gonna have to swipe. So everyone, welcome. This isn't live, obviously, but you get to see it. If any of you are on it, enjoy, and you can also message on this video if you want to join. Yes, it came straight at me because I'm live streaming. I'm gonna zero count. And I'm not paying that. Need to add someone. I need to go on YouTube. YouTube. No, I posted one earlier. I think there is a limit. Is there a limit? I don't think so. Hello guys, you alright? I'm happy I'm not very happy I'm on there. Booking out YT, I added myself. 63 subscribers, can't believe that. What was I going to check? Oh yeah, that. Hello everyone, this is definitely show my video. It's my own video. I'm gonna have to find a spot. Easy. Ah. I'm back. That's what it does. Should come straight back on because I'm live streaming. Oi! I think I was just lucky the first time. Excuse me. Sorry, I took a screenshot. Need to do his right name. And put screenshot into there and boom. Bet you this would be much more easier on live stream. Oh, you guys saw that correctly. You guys had to have seen that. That'd be funny if you couldn't hear me. Just in case. Yeah. Awesome. Patch. Baby. Oh. Sorry, I was just talking to myself. Oh. No. Right. Gotta go back on. QUI. E. Yeah. Should be this. Yeah. And correct. Is that my 10th channel? Oh, hey. Let's go into him and do his game. Start on a 15 with no commands. Oh. Oi. Excuse me. Too many channels, is there? Sorry guys, I have to just slow some channels down. Hopefully now you could read that. Hopefully that did not come up. To take this video down if it did. It's wrong. Ugh. I just do it like that. Don't know what dance. Don't want to dance. I banned a dance. Things. Disable. That's a bit too big. Make it a 10. A 5. Emoji. Yeah, don't you? big, isn't it? Please don't be a 4. Be a 3.0. Don't know if you can hear the Star Wars music in the back. Oh, go. Whoa. That looks weird. That's going to do a 0. Let's see what that does. Whoa. It's a bit shrinking. Oh. No, we don't want a 7,000. Maybe we have 100. No, we need a 4 point. Whoa. Don't want that either. Let's just have a 2.0. 2 points. That's a bit. Well, not name size. It's a card height. Do a 1. That's 1. I do think a 0.5 might do it. Can't save it. We're saved from YouTube, I can't save it, that's what I'm saying. Too many channels. So that's fine. What? Oh. What happened? Go on 5. Go on 2. Guck mal. Kann doch this work. Can you get them what the problem is? That's not what I want. What's going on? Excuse me. This is annoying. That's not him. Maybe that can go with 25. That can go with 2. That needs to go down. 10. So we go 1. Whoa! Not a 1. I think I can go back to 0.5. 0.5. That's fine. Why is it like Stop it. Stop it. What if I just go 0? And sometimes with this problem, I'm gonna pause. So today's been a bit crazy because of madness. Sorry guys, just had to delete all my channels. That was only 5. Yes, and I had to change some things. And now I'm going to 0 all cameras. Be much more easy. Yeah. Remember, add yourself in the chat. So after this I'll be posting on the other live stream, on a live stream app. This is just a video. JWB. For now, for this video, you're declared the champion. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.